Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Everyday English Channel. I'm Anna, your guide for practical English you can actually use in real life.
And I'm Ben. Today's episode is important, timely, and honestly, something we all need. We're talking about English for stress management. Real English phrases, real conversations, and real strategies for staying calm.
Our world is fast, unpredictable, and overloaded with information. We all feel stressed, but the way we speak, the words we choose, can either increase that stress or help us reduce it. So today, we're giving you a full emotional toolkit. In English, you'll learn calming phrases, grounding language, supportive dialogues, and affirmations that actually work. So find a quiet space. Or if you don't have one, bring your attention inward, and let's begin.
Let's be honest. Stress is constant. It's not just work anymore. It's notifications, family expectations, rising costs, social media comparisons, digital overload, all happening at once.
Yes, we wake up and the world is already waiting for us. Emails, messages, updates, deadlines. We're being pulled in many directions before we even brush our teeth.
And stress looks different for everyone. For students, parents, workers, freelancers, travelers, but the feeling is the same. Overwhelmed.
That's why today's focus is not complicated psychology. It's about language, simple English that helps you manage emotional pressure moment by moment.
Many people don't realize that the English expressions they use daily can make stress worse. Let's take a few examples.
Sure. When someone says, "I'm swamped," "I'm drowning in work," "My brain is fried," "I'm so behind," "I can't deal with this."
Those phrases create strong images of danger, failure, or lack of control. They might sound casual, but subconsciously, they tighten your body.
Here's a small exercise. Say these two sentences out loud. "I'm drowning in work," or "I have a lot to do, but I'll do it step by step."
Feel the difference? The second one doesn't create panic. It's still honest, but it keeps your nervous system calmer.
Why we need immediate, practical relief.
Please share your advice.
People don't need a 3-hour meditation routine. They need support they can use in a meeting, a stressful conversation, heavy traffic, a crowded supermarket, a moment of overwhelm.
Little language habits can create big emotional shifts. That's why today we're giving you micro tools. English you can use in 5 seconds, not 5 minutes.
Ready? Let's move into the tools.
Let's start with the morning. The first moment you choose your emotional direction.
Here are some English phrases you can say before getting out of bed. Today, I choose calm. My mind is clear and steady. I will respond with patience. I'm starting my day with peace. I allow myself to move slowly.
These are intention-setting phrases. You're telling your mind, my day starts with me, not my phone, not my deadlines.
Exactly. A small English sentence can act like a reset button.
Verbal anchors are short, grounding statements. You use them when you feel tension building. Here are some powerful ones. Just breathe. One step at a time. Slow down. I'm safe in this moment. Let it pass. Reset.
These are great in stressful environments, a crowded office, a busy street, or even during conflict.
Let's model a moment of stress.
Mini role play, stress at work.
Good idea.
This deadline is too tight. I'm losing control.
Try saying this. One step at a time. What's the first step you can do right now?
Okay, just breathe. First step, organize my tasks.
You see? The anchor changes your direction.
Here comes one of the most important skills, reframing. transforming negative thinking into something more balanced.
Other is opening lines for asking support.
Asking for help is something many learners avoid. They fear sounding weak or unclear in English. So let's give them safe, natural phrases.
Try these. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. Can we talk? Do you have a minute? I could use some support. I'm going through a lot. Would you mind listening? I need someone to talk to. Are you free?
These are gentle, respectful, and emotionally honest.
Great. Now let's move to setting boundaries politely but firmly.
Okay, let's get started.
Setting boundaries is essential for stress management. Here are polite English boundary phrases. I need a moment to myself. I can't take that on right now. I'm at my limit today. Can we continue this later? I need some space to think. I appreciate it, but I have to say no.
Notice these are firm, but not rude. They protect your energy.
Then is expressing gratitude calmly.
Okay,
Gratitude helps restore emotional connection. Here are some phrases. Thank you for your understanding. I really appreciate your patience. Thanks for listening. It means a lot. Your support helps me more than you know.
these phrases soften interactions and reduce tension between people.
Now, a full role play, stress, and support conversation.
Hey, Ben, I'm really overwhelmed. Everything's happening at once. Emails, meetings, personal stuff. I can't keep up.
Thank you for telling me. It sounds like a really heavy day. Do you want to talk about it?
Yeah, I think I just need someone to listen.
Of course. I'm here. What's stressing you the most right now?
The deadlines. I feel like I'm drowning in tasks.
I hear you. How about we break it down? What's one thing you can do today? Just one step.
Maybe finishing the report draft.
That sounds manageable. One step at a time.
Thanks. I feel a bit better.
Anytime. You're not alone.
Thank you.
Now, let's guide you through a grounding exercise. A simple one you can learn in English.
If you're listening at home, pause for a moment. If you're in public, just follow mentally.
Ready?
Name 5 things you can see,
4 things you can hear.
3 things you can touch,
2 things you can smell.
1 thing you can taste.
This brings your attention to the present moment, out of your head and into your senses.
When you describe your sensations in English, it strengthens the grounding effect. Try saying, "The warm tea is soothing. The fresh air feels calming. The soft blanket makes me feel safe. The quiet helps me relax. The sunlight feels gentle on my skin."
Now, imagine your personal calm space. It could be a room, a memory, a place in nature. Describe it in English. My calm space is peaceful and bright. I can breathe easily here. This place gives me clarity. I feel grounded in this space.
Your brain will return to this space automatically with practice.
Summary of key techniques.
Let's bring everything together. Today, you learned morning intention phrases, stress anchors, positive reframing, support-seeking phrases, boundary-setting expressions, gratitude language, sensory grounding prompts, calm space descriptions.
These tools work best with repetition. The more you use them, the stronger they become.
Choose one phrase or technique from today's episode and practice it today.
Just one. Consistency is more important than quantity.
Stress doesn't disappear, but your relationship with it can change. English can help shape your emotional experience.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We hope today's episode brought you calm, clarity, and confidence.
Stay grounded, stay gentle, and stay mindful.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.
Bye, everyone. See you next episode.